Tracking a lost DHL package, step-by-step guide.
Hello, and welcome to our guide on how to track a DHL package if you've misplaced your tracking number. Losing a tracking number can be stressful, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process of locating your package. Understanding this process can save you time and headaches, so let's get started.
Why is the tracking number important?
The tracking number is a unique identifier assigned to each package shipped through DHL. It provides detailed visibility of the package's progress, including shipment, transit, and delivery statuses. Without this number, tracking your package becomes significantly more challenging. However, there are still steps you can take to try to locate your package.
What to do if you lost your tracking number?
The first step is contacting the sender. If you did not send the package yourself, reach out to the person or company who did. They should have a record of the tracking number. If you are the sender and lost the tracking number, it is more challenging, but not impossible, to track the package. You may have a receipt or email confirmation containing the tracking number.
Contacting DHL customer service.
If the sender can't provide you with the tracking number, the next step is to contact DHL customer service directly. Provide them with as much information as possible, including the sender's and receiver's details, shipping date, and a description of the package. While this is not guaranteed to locate your package, it may increase your chances.
Preventing future loss of tracking numbers.
To prevent future loss of tracking numbers, always keep a record of your shipping confirmations. This could be an email, a screenshot, or a physical copy of the receipt. With DHL, you can also sign up for shipment notifications that can keep you updated without needing to input the tracking number each time. In conclusion, while losing a DHL tracking number complicates things, it's not a dead end. Contacting the sender and DHL customer service can still help in tracking your package. Being proactive in keeping records of your shipping confirmations can prevent this hassle in the future. We hope this video guide has been helpful. Stay organized and keep track of your packages.